Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. It is a bittersweet day down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Always a good day to sell cars, but this one, seeing it leave our lot for the last time, is going to be a sad one. This is the Mustang 670R. Obviously, as you guys know, 670 horsepower. The R stands for the Mustang Ford racing kit that we put onto this guy. Again, this is absolute beauty. The sad thing about it is leaving our lot. It is delivery day. So again, you will be able to see this vehicle leave our lot for the last time. Again, 670 horsepower, guys. This thing is just amazing. If you have any questions about it or want one for yourself, definitely send me an email. We'll leave the link below and leave any comments below. And again, enjoy the video. So that's it. It is gone, folks. Keep in mind, you have three options when it comes to the 670R package. You can bring us your Mustang and we'll put the 670R package on it. You can do what that gentleman just did. Come down here and pick up one of our pre-built 670Rs. Or you can come down here, pick any of these Mustangs off of our lot and go ahead and put the 670R package on it. Again, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email. We can certainly set you up with a test drive and get you any information you're looking for. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.